Okay guys, how are you today? So, this is my ND3 V3KE and I was having a problem. I was using Overture PETG, causing me a lot of issues, and then I switched over to my SUNLU, whatever, I can't even pronounce it, PETG, and this is the result. Like, I'm doing multiple prints on the board itself, as you can see. Almost no stringing, like almost perfect, almost. Sorry. See, I'm trying to get a good shot, but as you can see, the bullets. This thing is gorgeous. And to compare, this is the one that I did with the other ones, which is the Overture, which is this. Now, if you look at the texture, you see it? It's like really bad. So anyways, just one. Okay, to be honest with you guys, I really did like calibrate the fluid like really low. Actually on both of them, but in this one I did like a really nice calibration and it came out gorgeous. Temperature that we're printing on is 240. Bed is heated to 80 degrees Celsius. So basically it's a nice, very nice, to be honest. Anyways, have a good day, enjoy.